Welcome to Pioneer's Knowledge Hub.
Have you ever pondered the nature of time? This elusive and intangible concept is everywhere, woven into the very fabric of our existence. Yet, its understanding varies across cultures and societies. For some, time is linear, a ceaseless march forward. For others, it's cyclical, an eternal wheel of seasons and cycles. These varying perceptions underscore our collective struggle to grasp this enigmatic phenomenon. Time, in essence, is a human construct. It's our attempt to quantify, measure, and make sense of the world around us. Yet it remains constant, unyielding to our perceptions and interpretations. It ticks away second after second, minute after minute, indifferent to our humanly whims and fancies. So as we delve into the depths of this mystery, remember this. Our understanding of time, our human-centric view of days and nights, of past, present, and future, is but a tiny sliver of its vast, unfathomable reality. Time, as we perceive it, is but a fraction of its whole complexity. Philosophers have long grappled with the concept of time. It's a topic that has fascinated and perplexed some of the greatest minds in human history. Today we'll explore two primary philosophical perspectives on time: presentism and eternalism. Let's start with presentism. This theory argues that only the present exists. The past is gone, the future is yet to come, and the present is all there is. This might seem intuitive to some as we experience life moment by moment. We can't jump back into yesterday or leap forward into tomorrow. We exist in the here and now. This is the reality of our human experience, according to presentism. But then, there's eternalism. This is a perspective that paints a vastly different picture of time. Eternalism posits that the past, present, and future all equally exist. This means that events from bygone eras and events yet to happen are just as real as what's happening right now. It's as if time is a vast landscape and we're merely observers traversing this landscape from one point to another. From this perspective, our perception of now is simply a result of where we are on this landscape. These two perspectives on time have far-reaching implications. If presentism is true, then our actions have a finality to them. Once done, they can't be undone because the past doesn't exist. But if eternalism is true, then our lives are like stories written in a book, with each moment existing forever in some sense, even if we've moved on to the next page. These theories offer contrasting interpretations of our relationship with time. They challenge us to reconsider how we perceive our existence and the nature of reality itself. They invite us to ponder whether our lives are confined to the fleeting present, or whether they span the infinite expanse of time. So, are we living in the present moment, or is our existence spread across time? The world of physics offers another perspective on time. A perspective that challenges our everyday understanding and introduces us to the magical realm where time is not an absolute entity, but a relative phenomenon. In our daily lives, we perceive time as a constant, ticking away at a steady pace. But the world of physics tells a different tale. In physics, time is not a constant, it's a variable. A variable that can stretch and shrink, becoming a plaything of gravity and speed. The man who brought us this revolutionary idea is none other than the great physicist, Albert Einstein. His theory of relativity forever changed how we understand time. According to Einstein, time is not a separate entity, but intertwined with space, forming a four-dimensional fabric known as space-time. But here's where things get really interesting. Einstein's theory also tells us that time can warp and bend. This is due to the fact that objects with mass cause space-time to curve, creating what we call gravitational fields. And the stronger the gravitational field, the slower time passes. Imagine, if you will, two clocks. One is placed on top of a mountain, and the other at the bottom. According to Einstein's theory, the clock at the top of the mountain, further from the pull of Earth's gravity, would tick faster than the one at the bottom. Similarly, speed also affects the flow of time. The faster you move, the slower time appears to pass. This is known as time dilation. To someone traveling near the speed of light, time would appear to slow down, while for an observer at rest, their clock would tick away normally. This is the fascinating world of time in physics. A world where time is not an unyielding stream, but a fluid and flexible phenomenon, bending under the influence of gravity and speed. In the realm of physics, time is not a constant but a variable. Such is the enigmatic nature of time, forever intriguing, perpetually elusive. But isn't that what makes it all the more fascinating? Time, as we've seen, is a multifaceted concept. It's elusive yet ever-present. We can't touch it or see it, but we feel its relentless march. This presents us with the paradox of time. Despite its omnipresence in our lives, despite our ability to measure it with ever-increasing precision, time remains one of the most mysterious and debated topics in both philosophy and physics. Philosophers question its reality. Is time a fundamental part of the universe, or is it merely a construct of the human mind? Physicists, on the other hand, grapple with its direction. Why does time flow only forward and not backward? These questions reveal the paradoxical nature of time. It's at once deeply familiar and profoundly mysterious. Time is like a river, constantly flowing, yet its source and its destination remain unknown. We're all passengers on this journey, carried along by the current of time, yet we're still trying to understand its true nature. Time then remains a riddle wrapped in an enigma. So, what have we discovered about time? We delved into the enigma of time, a concept so integral to our lives yet so difficult to grasp fully. We discussed various philosophical perspectives that view time as an illusion, a river, or a dimension, each with its own unique interpretations and implications. Next, we ventured into the realm of physics, where time plays a crucial role. We explored how Einstein's theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of time, transforming it from a static backdrop to a dynamic player in the cosmic drama. And finally, we grappled with the paradox of time, the contradictory nature that makes it both tangible and intangible, a reality and a mystery. We pondered over the questions that time poses, questions that remain unanswered, fueling our curiosity and fascination. Time, in its elusive nature, continues to captivate us, reminding us of the mysteries that surround our existence.
Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.